Hi, I just wanted to give you an example or an update on trading that I've been doing today. I'm going to start off, well, this is live on the screen, but what I want to do is just show you some of the history to show you how this all started. Remembering that this all started with the robot itself. And if you have a look, it's Euro JPY and it's a buy position. As you can see, it came down and then it started going up. And when it started going into profit, that's when I stopped the robot and took off the take profit. As you can see over here, they're all zeros. And you can see the profit busy growing here. Just to give you an idea, I'm going to go back to the beginning of this morning and bring this onto the screen, just show you the history. So if you have a look here, that was the starting point of where the robot was about to close. And if you look here, if I add all the profit and losses together, it was on minus $2.15. Okay, but there was about 10, if you look from the difference between the price at that time and the actual the trading, I mean the closing, you'll see that it's about 100 points, which is actually 10 pips out from closing. So that gives you the time to actually stop the trading and to take off the stop profits so that it can carry on trading. Anyway, so this was, well, I'm not sure what time this was now, but it was around 8 o'clock this morning or something when I got to work. Anyway, the next screen that I saved, I still didn't put the time in here. Sorry, there was another account where I did the same thing, which I'm not showing at the moment. Account number 707. That was on minus $19 at that time. Okay, so there was quite a lot of open trades. But it wasn't going to close yet. It was still far from closing. Okay. Then at 12:32, this is still on this account over here where it was minus $2. At 12:32 about midday, it was on $7.98 profit. And then this is how the graph is looking. And you can see there's quite a big adjustment to be made because of that heavy drop. And that was a signal for me to stop trading with the robot and start doing manual trading, because it would have closed out somewhere over here, whereas it started going up higher. So if you have a look here, this was at 1:20, just after 1 o'clock, and I was already on $38 at this point, and you can see from the lines that you can see it was definitely going up and continuing to go up. And then this is more recently at 20 to 4. We're at $61 profit now. This trade normally with the robot would have been, or maybe if I look at the history here, you can see, but probably a couple of dollars. If you have a look at the history here, you can see the closing. I mean, the biggest close from the robot itself is $1.34 for the day. So if I go to yesterday, maybe you can see if there's anything bigger. Let's see the fourth to the fourth. See the fourth to the seventh. Okay, so if you look here, the biggest trade that you see from the robot, there's $2.57, there's $2.70. Obviously, there's the other bits and pieces as well. I mean, there's some more there, but remember the negatives come into it as well. So you can see that the normal trading based on this account, and this account, if you look at the figures, at the moment is sitting on, let me see if I go back here to live trading. Just hold on. So if you look at the trading, and we go down the bottom here, this is a $4,000 account, okay, $4,348 in this account. So on $4,338, you're looking at a normal, I mean, the days taking well, this is actually for 2 days. This is today and yesterday, is $36.94. That's with the robot doing it on its own. But already what we're looking at is profit already for today. Go back to the trading. There's already $60 in profit, but that $60 is including all the other pairs which are in the minus at the moment. But like I said, when you work it all out, at the moment the true value is worth about $61 or $62 on that particular pair, and that's just because of the manual trading, like I'm doing at the moment.